It's United Nations Day, so anong bibilin mo para sa assignment mo?
Three per paper ban.
Three bond paper.
Tulungan mo lang ako. 3 bond paper.
Short.
Then short. Then one glue.
Yes.
One glue, yeah. Then naman sticks.
Stick, you ask for a stick there, ha?
Yeah.
Hingi ka na lang ng stick doon para sa flag ko po, kamo, okay?
Yeah, sir.
It's signal number 1 now here in Benguet, including Baguio City. And okay, this is my address. Very nice address here at Dreamland Subdivision. Stick.
Sixty my chi. South Drive Street, Dock 6 lot na Dreamland Subdivision.
Okay. Open the gate now.
Papa, wala silang stick.
Okay. Sige, hanap tayo ng stick. Ito na lang, oh. Itong stick na to, lagay mo doon sa flag mo.
No.
Hindi pwede yan?
Ang haba.
Oh, okay. Sige. Go inside. Where's the paste? Where's the chains? Okay, go.
We'll go buy barbecue and shamay.
It's foggy now, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And we get some snake here. Okay, never mind. Oh, come on. Oh, maglakad na kayo ng maayos.
Snake.
Here's the store, just along South Drive Street. And they want to buy siomai. Dali, you like turon saging? Yes.
Sabi mo na.
Okay, you watch the barbecue there. Ayun, barbecue din, oh. May electric fan, oh. Ang galing, oh. Oh, di ba? Turon saging. Meron ka bang kilawing kambing?
Ang bango pero
Yan.
kayo tira.
Sige, tumira na kayo rito. Alis na ako, ha?
Uy, no.
Ah, okay. Oh, nice ba your swing?
Umuwi ka lang pa para kunin mo mga gamit namin.
Okay. Okay, let's go, kids. They bought siomai. And, kumakain ka ba niyan? Isaw and barbecue?
Yes, syempre.
Gusto mo to?
Ako pa.
Oh, ito kainin nyo. Mamaya yan, mamaya.
Second time.
Sige, second time.
Ay.
Oh, anong lasa? Masarap?
Wow!
Okay.
Guys, tingnan yung hinahawak ng papa ko.
Ako naman, oh. Ayoko nito, I don't eat like this. Wala na akong pambili ng beer sa inyo. Puro kayo lamon.
Meron ka bang pala ng...
Oh, Ice D will eat.
Akin yan, eh.
Ice D will taste the
Kaya dati
Okay.
ko pa ito natikman.
isaw.
Isaw. Intestine of a chicken.
Oh, si Talia also. Talia, it's not manghang, oh. Come on, Talia also. It's the first time of Talia to eat isaw. Come on.
Takot!
Kaya nga, okay. Taste it. And then you chew it na, okay. Dagdara umpisan mo dun sa may sabaw, yung nakasawsaw. Okay, taste it.
Papa,
Ha? Taste
may
niya.
kwento ang isaw, guys. Guys,
What's the taste, anak?
pakita mo sa akin pa.
Yummy? O ano?
May kwento ang isaw. Ang isaw, tinapak-tapakan ng tae.
So,
Tapos,
anong kwento doon?
nilinisan naman siya.
Okay. Sige.
Barbecue. Ay, ano yung sa akin? Akin to. One joy.
Okay.
Four nuts. And bubble gum.
Okay, go. Stand the side of the road. There. Bumalik to mga to. Naiwan yung pera there on the table. Go get. Takbo. Tali, put on your hood. Ano yan? What did you buy? What's that? Eh, ba't ganyan? Dapat yung walang skin.
Yan lang daw meron sila.
Oh, sige. And the other one, where's your chiclet?
Nandito.
Okay.
Ang baba ng ano ko.
Yeah. Okay, go. Get in. Come on, it's so foggy. What the fog?
Oy!
Okay, we just arrived home. Nandito kami sa store now. Diyan ang turning point ng jeep. Then, dumaan kami ng store to buy their chips. Okay? On our way home now. Come on kids. Kasi baka umulan, no? Close?
I think.
Go and buy there, oh.
This is not the bahay.
This one, oh.
Yeah.
Bibili raw sila ng siomay.
Tatlo po. Ay,
Yung ano? Siomay.
Thank you.
Okay, 50 pesos each. Okay, say thank you na. Thank you, ah.
Thank you.
Okay, come on. Come on, kids, come on. Kumukulimlim na.
ay, makadalawa ako.
5 chicken, 5 pork. Kaya 10 siomay bawat isa.
Pork?
50, yes, that's pork. Let's go.
May aso itong bawak.
Walang aso.
May aso.
Ako na bahala sa aso. Bilisan nyo kasi. Baka umambon na. It's 7 o'clock now, November 6, 2024. We're on our way to school now. The kids brought their baton kasi may practice sila at 3 o'clock in the afternoon until 5 sa Drama and Lyre. Hey kids, look here. Look. Okay, let's go. It's November 7, 9 o'clock in the morning, and we are on our way to the market. Medyo nag-umpisa ng umulan ngayon and windy.
It's very cold today.
Hindi naman ako nakakuha.
My papa is smoking and it's very cold here.
Go. Bahay na kinukunan mo. Go. It's cold here now, guys. So I'll put on my hood.
Ay, may bato sa chinelas.
Huh?
May bato sa chinelas. Guys, I'm boring at home. So
I'm bored?
I'm bored at home. So I'm going for a walk.
Okay. We're going to walk. Bored daw siya. So we're going around the subdivision. We came from that street, South Drive. And then doon yung turning point ng jeep.
What if may aso? What if may aso?
Kung may aso ay ano.
Tatakbo. Dito walk?
You're lazy to walk. Bumili na lang ng ice cream. Okay, then let's go home. Let's sing your bangs. Let's sing your bangs. Oh, fix your bangs, ha. Let's see. Oh. Don't wear kasi slippers. Always wear shoes, I said. Look at me. Look at me.
Natanggal siya.
I am old. I'm on my way to the jeepney terminal. Medyo foggy here now. Go! It's dismissal time, 3 o'clock, November 14. We are expecting Typhoon Ophel and Pipito, pero so far wala pa naman. Mga konting ambon-ambon lang here. Here comes the strong rain again. The two are wearing raincoat, rain boots, and umbrella. Here comes the strong rain. Don't stay together at para makuha lang ko kayong dalawa. Stay together. Umbrella ko putol. We are on our way to the jeepney terminal. It's a sunny day today, 6:45 in the morning, November 15. Walang ambon, walang fog, walang wind.